God, oh God.
All I see is the music shaking. I'm just saying.